On a recent trip to Cincinnati Children's for Baby, we took the opportunity to do some exploring. Here I'll show you our hotel and a couple places that we went to eat. But the real question is, which had the best lobster bisque? Stay tuned. Nice people strolling with the baby. Welcome to the Liberty Center, designated outdoor refreshment area. Gotta love that. For this trip down to Cincinnati Children's, we had appointments at both the Liberty campus and the Burnett campus in downtown Cincinnati. On this occasion, we decided to stay in the Home 2 Suites by Hilton Cincinnati Liberty Township. Since we arrived around dinner time, we decided to stop in across the highway at Liberty Center, which is an outdoor venue full of dining options, entertainment options, and shopping. We've been here a couple times before to eat, but never stayed over in the area. This evening, we decided to dine at Cooper's Hawk Winery and Restaurant. We have stopped in before, and they've always been very accommodating for Baby B. Often when we stop in, we're able to park in street parking right across from the restaurant. But on this occasion, we parked in a lot adjacent to the Liberty Center. Cooper's Hawk offers wine tastings and chocolates in addition to their restaurant's fare. I love that when dining here, you can always get a couple of samples of wine to try prior to ordering. From both restaurants that you'll see in this video, I ordered the lobster bisque. Stay tuned to find out which was the best. It goes in.
Oh, it's crusty.
Is it good for Daddy? Right to left, I have the Cooper's Hawk Luxe Cab Sauv, the House Cab Sauv, and the Petite Syrah. We ended up ordering the delightful Sangria Teeny. Cheers. In addition to the lobster bisque, I ordered the bruschetta, and Andrew ordered the chef's special. Baby got the salmon, which was supposed to be glazed, but was very bland, and then we got dessert to go. Andrew enjoyed his banoffee pie after we checked in to the Home 2 Suites by Hilton. The lobby was lovely with pops of color, and it was easy to check in. In fact, we checked in using our app, and our digital key easily worked to get us into the room. As we entered this room, the bathroom was on the left, and the kitchenette was on the right, which included an apartment-sized fridge, sink, microwave, dishwasher, and plenty of plates, cups, silverware, and, of course, all the coffee fixings you might need. The bathroom seemed very small, and only the conditioner was on the counter with a bar of soap, but we realized that the rest of the toiletries were on the wall of the walk-in shower. As you continue into the room, there's a pull-out dining table and lamp on the desk, and a pull-out couch on the left-hand side, along with a dividing curtain so that you can separate the space into 2 rooms. We had a king-size bed, and the curtain doesn't go all the way across. That way, both sides can see the TV. I did appreciate that in the nightstand area, there were a plethora of plug-in options. We did have a couple of issues on this stay, the first of which was the room that we were in just didn't smell fresh. It could have been because it was on the second floor, just up the stairwell from the smoking area, or it could have been that the room wasn't super clean. We didn't see any evidence of that. The door lock to the bathroom was also broken, but that wasn't a big deal for us. We enjoyed the variety of breakfast options, and I especially appreciated the option to do a small waffle as opposed to a large one. I had never seen this before and was really excited about it. Coffee and tea were always available for us in the lobby. There was a business area with computers available and a small pantry in case you needed to purchase snacks, drinks, or dinner. We didn't have time to use the fitness room on this stay, but they did have one that appeared to be very nicely set up. Unfortunately, we were unaware that the pool was closed during this trip, and so we were also unable to use that area. Overall, the stay was adequate, but if we stayed in the area again, we would definitely try different accommodations. I don't know about you, but it really bothers me when a hotel doesn't notify you that the pool's going to be closed. I get that things come up, but this can completely change a family's travel plans. We were able to check out with the app with no issues and then went on to our appointments. First, we headed to the Burnett campus, then back to Liberty, and then we had lunch at Brio Tuscan Grill. After a long morning, I tried the ultra premium Italian margarita, which was delicious, and hubby got a glass of wine. This was a beautiful venue with indoor and outdoor seating. We decided to stay indoors on this visit. It was a little hot outside. At Brio, I again ordered the lobster bisque and the mezza chicken Milanese, which was delightful, but I could have used a little more tomato. Andrew adored his pasta and, of course, got tiramisu to go. In the Battle of the Lobster Bisque, I have to say, while both were delicious, Cooper's Hawk was definitely more hearty. Thanks for watching, and for some more travel, be sure to like and subscribe.